friends, welcome to Learning English Vocabulary. Once again, I'm here with you to teach you new words, new vocabulary. Yes, I know you are missing the new words to learn more and more words. In this video, words are starting with new letter D. So we have new words and new meanings with new pronunciation. Let's have a look on the words, but first subscribe the channel to start the words. First word is dainty. Dainty mean pretty, fastidious, delicately, nafis. Dale mean valley, whole northern areas, wadi, our favorite areas with greenery, green fields. Dame mean married woman, a mature woman. Begum, a woman whose age is more than 30 years. Next is damp. Damp mean moist, unpleasant effect, discouragement, and wet, numb. So many meanings according to the sentence and situation. Damsel mean unmarried young lady, young unmarried girl, and doshiza, girl under the 20 years. Dank mean unpleasantly damp, musty, chilly, martub. We just read damp word before this. Darn mean mend, repair, patch, rafu. To mend our shoes or repair our clothes. So many kinds of meanings. Next is dart. Dart mean move suddenly. Games mean playing games, and rushing and rapid move. Lapakna. Tasted mean coward and dishonorable and dull and stupid. Buzdil. Next is dawdle, mean waste time, take one's time and stroll. Waqt zaya karna. So don't waste your time. Next is dazzle. Dazzle mean make too much light and shining, glow, chandhyana. Next is debar. Debar mean shut out, exclude, disqualify. Disqualify mean kharaj karna, band karna. Next is debauch. Debauch mean make bad, corrupt, and destroy. Batzok banana. Debilitate mean weaken person, infirm, enfeebling, kamzor, not powerful. Next is debonair. Debonair mean cheerful, sophisticated, and charming and confident. Khush mizaj. I hope you understood the words and pronunciations clearly. So you can learn by watching video again and again. So if you like it, share and subscribe and give me comments. So I'll be here with you soon again with new topic and new lessons. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe it. Good luck. Take a very good care of you and goodbye.